Hey there, Oregon business owners, leaders, and staff. Welcome to this week's 10D Tech Cybersecurity Tip. Today, we're diving into how to keep your data secure while working remotely. Remote work is here to stay, but that doesn't mean your cybersecurity should slack. Let's get into it. First up, and this is a cybersecurity standard, keep work and personal life separate. If possible, use different devices for work and personal tasks. If that's not an option, at least create separate user profiles. And remember, never let family members use your work devices. Next, securing your home office is a must. Start by using a business VPN to encrypt your internet connection. Make sure all your devices are set to enable automatic updates. Install advanced security software to fend off threats. And always use a secure Wi-Fi network. Now, don't forget to follow your company's policies. Use only approved cloud storage solutions for your work files. Keep sensitive data off personal devices. And if you notice anything suspicious, report it immediately. So, quick check, is your home office as secure as your work office? If you're not sure, let us help you verify. Access our calendar to book a quick 10-minute call for a security checkup. And now, on to some fun. It's time for Tech Tip Tuesday Trivia. The correct answer to April 29th's trivia question is buying and selling stolen data. Congratulations to Glenda Lawnstrawn from Furniture Share in Albany. Because she has already won $25 last week, she is not eligible again for 30 days, but she still had the right answer again. Think you've got what it takes to remember last week's tech tip? Answer the trivia question correctly, and you could win a $25 prize. Here's the quiz question for this week. What immediate action should you take if you lose your laptop or mobile device? How it works. Read last week's Tech Tip Tuesday email. Next, answer the trivia question based on that tip. Then, reply to this email with your answer. If you're correct, your name goes into the drawing. And the winner will be announced in next week's email. Stay engaged, keep learning, and you can win. See you next week for more tips and trivia.